right there. Okay.
Ding, 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 ding. My light is charging right now. So it's kind of dark. Can't really see me. We're getting into that the era of California where it's really, dude, wow. A lot of things dinging. Baba, dude, just fucking gapping up again. Those calls.
You still in that play?
Yeah, I'm still holding all of those. It's 10 contracts, but I think this thing's just gonna keep squeezing, bro. It's fucking nuts. It's actually
10 contracts. How much each contract cost?
$2.48. I spent about $2,500 on the position. I'm up $7,500, 303%.
Nice.
Wow, incredible.
Yeah, that's dope.
Honestly, incredible. I think it's going to go to 170, so I'm going to hold off till the push to 170, and then that'd be really sick if I do 2.5K into 10K.
That would be cool.
Of gains.
That'll be dope.
That'd be epic. Of gains.
New all-time high again.
I know. Another one.
No man's land.
Yeah, I hate this. We have the contract roll as well. I'm going to talk about that in a second when more people roll in here. What's up with my Apple? Ooh, Apple's back at 237, dude.
You just winning, huh? Just swing trade menace. Just
finally, bro. Well, I was fucking
swing trader.
The swing. I want to get good. I want to get really good at swings. It's just like
Me
this
too.
is the hard part about swings. You gotta sit through a lot of the bleeding, and that's why just time is the most important thing.
The strong swinger.
The strong swinger.
The strong swinger. This man is a swinger, man.
What's good, chat? Good morning. It's Monday. It's FOMC week. How are we doing? What's going on? Let's get some conversation up in this bitch. Luke, Charles, Rusty. Good morning. How art thou? Lawrence is back.
Bitches.
He had a nice 3 days to veg out and watch anime, so he's recharged.
I felt amazing.
Dude, how can you watch hentai that long, that many days in a row?
Hentai. Because, bro, it's not the same every episode.
Fair. That's a good answer. Good answer.
It's always a unique storyline.
Yeah, that's great. I love it. All right, chat. Good morning. Let's talk this week. Let's talk about what's going on. So this week, FOMC, we have the contract roll as well coming up. So this is going to change here, I think tomorrow or some shit. So that's coming up soon. Obviously, all-time highs we're just pushing, right? Big thing I want to focus on is how we treat the pullback of this all-time high if we get there. I have a level right here, and like it's a little bit 76, 42, same thing, right? 20, 30 points, right around there. I want to focus on that. Other than that, I don't really got shit. We got to go like really fractal on this, right? Hourly chart. I like this, right? Like I want to see us come back down here and retest this and see how that gets treated. We have Asia lows to work with tonight, or today, I should say. Potentially. But other than that, like fucking, I'm not just gonna chase this. Like I don't got shit. I gotta play a pullback or something. So not really my favorite here. What's going on? And just again, FOMC week, Monday, no news. Fuck, like I'm literally debating not even taking a trade. I'm gonna size down, take a super small trade if I can find one. And literally, like I'll just look to just call it there. I'm also going to Lake Havasu this week to have my last little summer vacation. So I don't want to be a retard. I want to just enjoy myself going into vacation mode. And so that if I just do less and chill, that's fine. That's totally fine. That's cool with me. So I really I don't know what's going to happen with the Fed at all. The way I kind of do want to play it, I'm not going to lie, it's obviously going to be a gamble because I have no fucking idea what fully is going to happen. But just based on the chart, bigger. I do kind of like the swing idea of taking RTY long and trying to shoot for like a push into 2,500 here. So I might buy some calls that expire next week for FOMC. I know it's gambly, risky, whatever. Okay, whatever. I've had some good swings lately. Let me risk some of my profits and have fun. So that's kind of my thoughts on it. Other than that, like I said, today, I don't really got jack shit. I'm just going to wait for a pullback into structure. 15-minute chart. What do we got to work with? We really just have Asia lows here, a sweep of that. Level wise, this only level down here, down into 20,050s, roughly around that zone. Other than that, that's it. What's this OCO thing? This is new. You see this? OCO brackets. They're doing brackets.
Yeah. They added that to Project
cool.
X.
It's kind of cool. It's neat. So yeah, that's what I got. How are you, Lawrence? How was your hiatus?
It was amazing.
That's good. I'm glad.
Sensational. Sensational.
Sensational. I love that. Sensational. It's just like, imagine just buying this off the open. What are we supposed to do? Maybe someone took 30 points and called it a day. That could be one thing. What do we got here? RTY breaking down. Wow, this thing's thin. It's not a lot to work with today. Hope this kind of just like trickles down here, and then we get FOMC to like spike down, and then ripstick. The old ripstick.
The old ripper.
Yeah, I want Bala 170 this week, and I want Apple 250 this week. If I get those,
you're good. You don't have to work for the next 2 months.
I don't got to work for the next 24 hours if I get those. That's it.
How do you feel being a gambler for a living? A professional gambler for a living?
I actually thought about that yesterday. Like, it's just like they say in The Hangover. It's not gambling if you know you're gonna win.
Right.
No, I actually did think about this last night. I'm like, wow, like, what a stressful career, but like the more you do it, the more clarity you have and kind of what you're looking for and build an edge and the confidence you have in building money and making money and it doesn't seem as crazy once you're finally once you're tasting it, right? Like, it's like once you're actually like making money, profitable, and you still can experience the hard times. Like, literally the past few weeks still been tough. 2 green days in a row, Thursday, Friday. So I want to kind of ride that momentum and try to just slowly grind this back. The live account was down to fucking 40 something hundred. I think like 4,800. So I did make about like nearly $2,000 on it, which is cool. So let's see how much of this I can grind back and taste some W with it.
Yeah. I realized it was making me nervous thinking about that. Like, damn, I'm actually like, I have to entrust my entire livelihood to the law of large numbers and probabilities. And I was like, wow, that's kind of sketch. But then I thought about it and I was like, well, I think that life is like poker. We're going to gamble something. It may not be a trade. Well, everything's a trade. How about that? But it may not be the money. It may be your time. It may be your life.
That's true.
So I made this tweet that I really liked this week, and last week I made this tweet and I said I started trading because I didn't want to wait till I was sick to trade my money for time.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, that's a bar, bro.
That is a bar. That's a good one. I like that. I mean, it's true, dude. Everything's a risk. It's like even working a 9 to 5 is a risk. Like, dude, imagine literally imagine working an office job for fucking like 30 years. Just
Mm-mm,
going
I
doing the
couldn't.
same. It's so crazy to your perception of money after you start like making some money. Like
Oh man.
I
Oh
remember thinking
God.
like, oh, I remember thinking like, oh, dude, like it's how they get you. You know, you want to make $150,000 a year with good benefits at a job. I think about that now, and I'm like, the number still sounds like kind of enticing, but then I
Hmm.
like break it down and think about it, and I'm like, dude, I've had literally months like from trading and like building the business where I've done literally a third of that. My best month has been about $50,000. So I'm
Yeah.
like, that's insane to think about. And so it's like, because I don't
Yeah.
add it up, because I'm just kind of just going through the motions. But it's like they just sell you on these things, right? Sell you on like, oh, it's really nice salary and benefits.
I'm
It's like,
telling
dude,
you,
if you can,
I think that like the perception of money changes when either you've really tasted money or if you're poor. Like, I think that if you
for
never
sure,
have
for sure.
money, you don't look at
Mhm.
money with the same value because you're like, I never had any of it and I'm still okay. And
Yeah.
then when you actually have like a 50K month or a 100K month or a million
Mhm.
dollar month, and you're just like, okay, I've had a lot of it, so it doesn't really mean too much to me because I know how to do it. So it was like an extreme. Like, you either have to
Yeah.
be poor and never have it, or you got to be rich and be like,
Yeah.
okay, my perception has changed. That's why
Yeah.
middle class is so big because that's the easy manipulated
Yep.
class. You know what
Yep.
I'm saying? And you can
Exactly.
finesse them with the salary.
100%. It's crazy too. Like, I think there's a lot of studies that show like life doesn't really change. Like, yeah, obviously it gets a little bit better the more money you make theoretically, depending on how you spend it, and obviously so many factors and scenarios. In terms of just like your basic needs and shit, like after 20K a month, it
Yeah.
really doesn't like feel too different. You know, like I guess like that's how you can kind of put it. It doesn't feel too different. It's like one thing I'm trying to do with my girl right now is like trying to help her with her business. I'm like, how can we get you to 20K a month? Because
Hmm.
she'll do like 11, 12K a month. Like she does, pretty solid for like her little business that she does. Awesome. She built it on herself, like on her own. It's impressive. And I'm like, all right, how can we get you to 20K a month? Because that's just like the golden like milestone. It's a really
Hmm.
big one, I think. Like so, and this year, every single month I've made like at least $20,000, and it's been like very just like
Refreshing.
allowed, yeah, like it just allowed me to just build and like not think about it, like. And I'm like, okay, it's a really good feeling. Like I want to get her to that, that same feeling. So
That's when you can experiment. And that's when you can test things and you can play the game without worrying, honestly.
exactly.
You know?
It's crazy. Dude. I always used to say too with trading, I knew this how it would happen for me. Like I became profitable, and like I always tell everyone too, when I became profitable, it doesn't mean I was making like all this money. I'm making fucking a few grand a month maybe or whatever. And then I
Yeah.
went really like kind of sideways, just making that for a bit, just head above water, head above water. But I knew I was like, I'm gonna have a breakout, and then all of a sudden, I'm gonna go from making like $60,000 a year, $80,000 a year, to all of a sudden, I'm gonna blink, I'm gonna make $250,000 a year, or $300,000 a year, or 400 or something like that.
It's
And
exponential.
that's literally this year. Last year, I technically did break six figures for the first time, but like I just barely over it. And then like this year, like it's crazy. It's like all in on track. I'm looking to do like 400K or something like that. And it's just like, and I'm not saying this to brag at all. I'm just saying like I knew this is how it would happen with trading, because it's like you practice the skill, practice the skill, practice the skill. But finally some stuff really starts to click. You know how to hit it harder. You get more desensitized to like larger numbers and like, big days or big months or whatever. And then you just learn how you can control the risk and go from there and build.
Yeah,
So
because trading and that there's not a there. I mean, yeah, because like one, first and foremost, business is exponential. It's going to be flat for a very long
mhm,
time, and then it's going to skyrocket. And then two, it's
yeah.
like there's nothing in the world more scalable than trading.
Yep. Literally.
Yeah,
I mean,
there's
there
nothing
is a
more
point where
scalable.
people argue that it's like, oh, well, you can't make hundreds of millions and stuff. It's like theoretically you could if you want, but yeah, at that point, dude, if you're worried about that type of scalability, it's like you're probably smart enough to go start another business anyways or some shit like that. So
Yeah, you could
I
do
mean,
what Umar did. You just do what Umar did if you want that. Then just go ahead, create a software business. you know,
Mm,
use all of your
mhm,
resources and connections to get everybody to
mhm.
affiliate it and push it, and then you sell it, and then you sell.
Yep,
You know,
yep, yep. How we doing, chat? What's good? Fitz in here. Good morning, Brian. What up? Luke, Nuki Trades, Max. What's good, Max? This motherfucker with the mustache, dude, gives me a run for my money. Gives me a run for my money. Handsome looking devil. Congrats. Appreciate you. Congrats, big dog. Charles, congrats. Thank you. Appreciate you. We're just out here building. That's what we're trying to do. Literally just what we're trying to do. Day by day, show you the journey. About to hit 6 years. 1 more month. 6. I think maybe I'll do some sort of giveaway or some shit on my 6-year trading anniversary. Figure
you
out some
started in October.
October 21st, I believe. It's either the 21st or the 19th is like the day I went full time. I put in my 2 weeks, I think. I think I gave them 3 weeks or something because they were like, "Can you stay an extra week?" And I was like, "Sure, that's all right." And so they wanted to milk me a little bit longer. Pause.
Mhm. Nah, you said it. Hey, nah, that's what they wanted to do.
Talking about the dream with this profitable lifestyle.
Mhm.
Yeah, I mean, it just takes time. That's the biggest thing. I just, as an influencer, if I can spread any transparency in the space, because everyone gets into it, seeing the fucking Lambos and the Rolexes and all those dudes. If anything I can do is just tell everyone, like, it's gonna take you a long fucking time and be really hard, but if you grind with it and stick with it long enough, and you actually put in deliberate effort all the time of trying to get better, like it will. Like, this has always just been my thing too. I've like believed in myself. I've had this underlying like insane belief of like, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen as long as I don't give up and I keep putting in the work. Because it will. It's like almost anything. It's like it has to at some point. If you're putting in enough effort and work and actually being diligent about it, it'll happen. It
I'm
will.
going to be devil's advocate here. I'm going to put a huge dark cloud. Do you think that just because somebody doesn't quit, that means they'll make it?
No, for sure. Absolutely
Yeah.
not. That's why I'm trying to emphasize and highlight deliberate, real effort,
Yeah,
actual
deliberate. That's the
review.
word.
Because you could show
Deliberate. Yeah.
you could show up and fucking throw something at the wall like every day, but if you don't know what you're throwing at the wall and what's sticking and the
Yeah.
reason it's sticking and why it's sticking, and
Facts.
for sure, absolutely, I will not argue with that.
Yeah.
Like, it's like, yeah, you could be a
Yeah.
psycho that just shows up and wants to press the button every day and does zero review and has no idea why their trades are working or aren't working. But this looks, RTY is the only thing I kind of have like on my radar now. Look at this. Look at this fucking recovery here. I'm gonna look to take this long on a pullback, I think.
Yeah. That's
This
what
is
I
a
said. That's what I'm like, bro. Just because you don't quit, I don't mean you'll make it.
yeah, for sure.
Which, I think it's the because you know how they say like 1,000 mastery is 1,000 hours or something like that.
Yeah.
But come to find out, it's more so like 1,000 iterations.
Yeah, for sure.
1,000 iterations get better and better
Yeah.
and better.
Damn, this is a really nice recovery here of VWAP on RTY. Here's your 1 minute chart. Check this out.
Yeah, I
Go to
like that.
15. Look at this 15, bro. This is hard not to see right now. This is fucking pumping on some volume, but it's going too fast. Chill out. Give me a pullback. If we get a pullback down into 20, or where is it? Right around VWAP. 03s here. I could be very interested in taking this long. But this almost feels like too much of a pump and kind of sus. But it's on good volume, really good volume. You think they're just going to grind it higher today and tomorrow and then just rip stick even higher again on FOMC?
I think so. I think shit's baked in already.
Max, you're in on an opening print retest of this? Okay. Pull back to opening print and a buy signal from that, and I'm in. I mean, dude, I feel like everyone, it's so hard because everyone is like, the charts are just bullish still. That's my thing, is I have no signal saying the shit's going down in terms of like big picture. I'm not talking about RTY the second. Like the
This is a
weekly
nice pullback
charts,
from RTY. Sorry.
this is a nice little pullback from RTY. I just don't like if this is going to close below VWAP though.
I mean, this is almost a V-shaped reversal. I'll wait for it, and I'll go to the 1 minute, see a nice little bounce, and take that long. Honestly,
Yeah, it's not bad.
yeah. Wait till it holds a little bit, and I'll send it.
Let's see if
Personally,
we can
this is
pull. If we
very.
can pull back a little bit more here and retest like right down here, and it holds. Not against it. I just don't like a pin like that. It closed pretty bearish.
Might take RTY with you. This is a nice. That's a nice setup.
I know it's kind of nice. Let's see. It just feels funky to me. I don't know. I just for some reason I don't trust it.
Why is that?
Because I could see RTY doing some bullshit where it pins VWAP like this, makes a lower high right here, and then actually closes here and then fails. That's what I'm sussed out about. I need to see a pullback like down into here and a hold, and then something start to kind of cruise back up.
I need Microsoft to go to 500 and like $30.
When do you have calls on it?
Yeah.
See, this market is just fucking runaway. Okay, let's see here. First of all, not 5 contracts on RTY. It's going to be 1 if we do take it. Let's see. I just really don't like the location of RTY daily wise. It's like it's in the middle of the range. It's just not something I'm super.
How about this? So you marked out what you don't want to see and what could happen, what you think could happen. How about what would convince you to take the long?
A pullback to 2403 that holds with some sort of signal and starts to kind of come back up. That would convince me to take the long.
Not if it sits nicely on top of VWAP and just holds right there. What if it doesn't make it
Yeah, I
down?
mean,
What if you're so bullish that
the problem is bigger picture. This is sitting in the middle of the daily. I don't like this, and this is something I'm trying to work on in my. I did this in review over the weekend. I looked into it. Location wise, I have really good levels, but we're just in the middle of a daily bar like this. There's not a lot to work with. That's what I don't like. This is what I dislike. That's why part of me kind of wants to like even look for I'd even look for the short potentially. I just don't like this location in the middle of the daily. That's all I'm trying to say. Bigger picture, I don't have a lot of edge with that, and that's kind of something I was studying.
you know what I see? Go back
On the daily.
That's a nice, yeah, on the daily. That's a nice little sweep, that red candle, and then a complete bounce. No, not that one. The one, three red candles, the third one. That's
This one?
two right there. Yeah, nice
Oh
little
yeah, for
sweep right
sure.
there from that low, and nice little
Yeah.
pop up. So that could,
Retest.
and then that's the pullback. Yep, the retest. Yep.
I do think this is going to go higher into FOMC, so you're not wrong there. That actually is my big thesis, like big picture.
Let's see. Let's go to the chat real quick. Good morning, Tanner. Started making
Well,
time
I like
for the
this.
gym.
I'm taking it long.
Well, oh yeah, that's
Order
cool.
filled.
I like this right here.
Yeah, I do like that a lot.
I'm gonna put my stop down here. What the fuck, dude?
I do like that a lot. That's cool. What's
Position
going on?
brackets.
Oh, you gotta turn the OCO bracket on.
It says, what the fuck is this? What does that mean? Position brackets are disabled for live accounts.
Oh no,
dude. Well, what the fuck? How am I supposed to fucking? I just want to move it on the chart. Dude,
You gonna
Project
have to
X
you
is,
gonna have to you gonna have to right click. You gotta right click.
I know, like a stop sell.
Yeah. Oh no, they didn't.
How the fuck am I supposed to
Oh,
exit, dude? This is stupid. This
oh
pisses me
my
off.
gosh. They did not cut off OCO brackets on live accounts, bro.
I'm gonna call fucking the owner of Top One after this and be like, dude, you gotta talk to Project X. This is bullshit. This is fucking
What?
bullshit.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
That's crazy, bro. That doesn't like what the fuck am I supposed to
Yeah.
do? Can I even put this up here? No, won't let me. Dude, that's insane. I need to take a screenshot of this. Well, this is working.
You doing this to live accounts? Like, I don't get it.
Like, yeah, I know live accounts just get fucked, dude. It's such bullshit. Live accounts get so fucked, bro.
Yo, that's crazy. You can't review your data, can't look at your trades,
Can't do
can't
anything
do
you want to do,
OCO
bro.
brackets.
Can't do anything
Lord,
you want.
my
Literally
goodness.
can't do shit. Can't do anything you want.
Oh my god, that's crazy. That's nasty. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's nasty,
Dude,
bro.
that pisses me off, bro. And that's Project X. It's not fucking an individual firm. It's Project X. That's what's bullshit.
The man not telling us.
I'm taking a video literally right now to send to fucking Clay. Okay. This ain't cool. I really need you to talk to Project X about this. So, first off, this new OCO bracket thing, I'm not using that, but you can't drag your stop loss now on a live account. It says that those brackets are disabled. So I can't even drag this into profit or anywhere
And you
now.
can't turn it on.
And I can't turn it on or do anything about it, dude. So this is a big deal. This is a big I need this has to be fixed ASAP, please. Yeah, that's fucking all I can do is put my stop in. And you know what's insane? Will it even allow me? Like if I put an order up here, like stop limit sell one. Oh wait, did I just put a stop buy in? No, stop market sell. Limit sell one. Okay, yeah, so I can put that up there, I guess, which is cool.
Yeah, but I mean, it's not a other cancel other, so you got to flatten all every single time.
I know. That is kind of whack. It's pretty fucking whack. Not gonna lie, I don't really like that.
To that trade with you because I don't like the way Inky is moving right now. Like I just don't like this.
Yeah, this was the
It's
only
not
actually
it's not
decent setup,
clean.
and this is my big picture thesis for going into the end of the week. I want to see RTY fucking rip, dude. I think I'm gonna buy some calls on it. Like I said, it's kind of doing what I want it to do here. See, we just took out liquidity here at 28. Let's go to 15-minute. Target right here, pretty much. This is going to be the first target. I wonder if we can go for prior day high, though, on this type of move. Ooh, it was a better target. 34s. Here, 17s. Could be nice. 17s could be good. Somewhere
All
in
right.
here.
Back to the comment section. Good morning, Tanner. Started making time for the gym. Created a routine for myself. Appreciate the motivation the other week. Nice. Good shit,
Absolutely.
Kowalski.
Good shit.
I'm getting that gym. Dominic coming up on his third year. Pull back to opening print. A buy signal from that. I'm in. Nice. Stock market sciences. Y'all think the rate cut will be a buy, the rumor sell, the news situation? That's a good question. That's a good question. Possibly only because it's like we just been ripping lately, right? So like possibly. right? Like this may be the action that we're getting right now that we're supposed to get. But I don't know. A lot of times I've been seeing that like when rate cuts come or whenever FOMC happens, it'll be volatile, but then it'll level back out and go back to break even, pretty much go back to the same price it
Mhm.
was before. So we'll see what happens. Um, Lawrence, welcome back. Just hopped on late. Appreciate it, Jay. What's going on, brother? I like QQQ calls if we can retest 588. Yeah, that's not bad. I can't find any entry right now personally.
I know on NQ there's nothing, dude.
Really should have took that RTY setup because that's like I like that setup. I saw it. I take that. I'll take that setup any day of the week.
Yeah, pretty nice V-shape reversal here on this 5-minute, and then we held VWAP. Honestly, what made me buy it was this 2-minute signal right here.
Yeah, man.
Just the thing is, RTY pulls back so heavy though and stuff. That's what sucks. So
Adrian, why go live? Why go live, Tanner?
I know, right? Oh, you know what? I'm talking to Clay right now, and this OCO bracket thing is for everyone. This isn't just live accounts, I guess. This is happening to everyone.
Really?
Yeah. They're fucking stupid for doing that. Dude, is this gonna take me out? What a fucking pullback. This is crazy.
That's probably just a little retest of the entry. If it does take you out, I'll be shocked.
I think it might, bro. This is so
That,
aggressive.
that's very heavy. Yeah.
It's really heavy and aggressive. Holy shit,
That's
bro.
one candlestick.
Literally one candle,
That is
fucking death
one
dive, bro.
candlestick.
Well, this is the
But
problem.
I'm
This is why I almost debated literally just taking it off into this liquidity here. I was like, yeah, maybe
yeah,
I do
I
this
saw
sleep
that.
that.
Yeah. But I'm not gonna lie to you.
It
I
could
feel
hold.
like all the trading books that I've read always said when you see those aggressive pullbacks, get out of it, X, Y, and Z. But there's been so many occasions where I'll see aggressive pullbacks, and I almost feel like they're through trading experience, those are actually good, and then they pop back up. Like, I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah,
Like, I've been through aggressive pullbacks, and a lot of times they pop back up. So
I
I don't
know.
know.
Look at this. This is coming right back into both VWAPs here.
Yeah, no, that's pretty crazy.
This is really aggressive. Holy shit. See, but come back into VWAPs here. Wonder if it can hold. This is ridiculous, dude. Okay. This totally might take me out. This is insane. Look at this pullback.
Yeah, that shit was crazy. That was one candlestick.
This is crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to add though here if I'm gonna add anywhere. I want to add one. This is just
Oof.
aggressive.
That's just about to take out that entire trend.
I know, bro. This is crazy. What the fuck?
Move my stock to 2403, bro. Honestly, if that shit takes out 2403, that's just not looking good. How much would you lose on this trade? How much is that?
260.
Oh, you good.
I know. That's why I was like debating adding. All right, this is retesting
Um,
level right here. I'm gonna add to this.
Order filled.
I don't know if you should do that.
It's okay. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep this limit stop sell right here. Let's see. This
Should
is
at
my
least wait
level.
till at least wait till it bounce before you add it.
I know. This is
Wait
my
for a
level.
reaction. You said what?
This is my level I'm watching right here. I got a level and VWAP right above. So if I'm gonna add anywhere, it needs to hold here.
Yeah, but you gotta wait for a reaction, though, even though the level and VWAP is there.
I know. You're right. This is insane. This is ridiculous. This is 1 5-minute candle. It's going to take out all of this. Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah, that shit R2. You did call it though. You called it. I mean, I don't know.
I
You did
told
say
you
that
RTY
earlier.
does some
Yeah.
fucking funky ass shit, dude. But maybe it's retesting structure here and it's going to hold. It's only saving grace. I'm going to lose $390 if I'm wrong. It's okay. I'm honestly just going to lock this account. I'm not going to fucking do this today. This is absolutely unreal.
And Adrian, the reason why people go live is one, I think it's because you get less rules, like you have less rules and more access to all of your capital, and then
Mhm.
daily payouts, and then two, a vanity metric.
Yeah,
But you
literally.
get access to all the money. So is it like if I have $10,000 and 5 XFAs, which is 50K, but I can only access half of that, if that, then that kind of sucks. There's really no point of having that money in there. But if it's a live account, I had 50K in it, and then I can withdraw all of it. That's something.
Mhm. Yeah.
Luna was good, bro. What happened with the OCO brackets? There are no OCO brackets. That's what happened. They took them away. Super tilted because I missed my entry because I didn't log into my copy trader before I got my setup. It's okay, Luna. It happens to the best of us, Playboy.
All right, dude. That was fucking ridiculous, that pullback.
Fuck RTY.
Fuck that, bro. Fuck that. I'm not even fucking with this. I'm locking this account right now. Fuck that. Fuck that.
Yeah.
Fuck that. That was so fucking gay. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, RTY is crazy,
That
bro.
was insane. Look at this fucking ridiculous perfect V shape and then come all the way back down and take all of it out from some low liquidity bullshit.
Yeah.
All right, you put your shit up, dude. I'm locked out. I'm done. I'm
Oh
not
my
doing this.
God. My
I'm not
screen
doing
just
this.
went out. What the fuck?
I'm not doing this
One of
fucking
my
shit today.
screens just one of my screens. Oh my God.
Broken.
They just went black.
Dude, that was ridiculous, bro. What kind of market does a move like that?
Oh my God.
Fuckery. Look at this hourly chart. Awful. Oh man, just nothing. OCO brackets, dude. Oh
Love.
man. J Bulls goes tech issues equals no trade signal. Yeah.
Right, pretty much.
Yeah.
That's not, I've really learned that in my options days. Tech issues, no trade.
Yeah.
That is not, that's very true, Jay.
Well, lost $400. This hourly looks terrible.
Are you
I'm on
done
a top
trading?
step. I'm on a top step live account, and the brackets are working. Try switching to position brackets. What does that
Position
mean?
brackets?
I
What's
don't
that mean?
understand.
Which
I
position
don't even.
brackets?
I
Go
don't
to
understand.
settings. What is that? Add new bracket. Manage auto OCO bracket. Click add new bracket. Add bracket. What does that do?
No, fuck that. I don't trade them based on a fucking exact ticks. This is the problem. Is like I don't fucking do this shit. Like all my shit's dynamic. I don't have set amounts of like I'm gonna lose this
Yeah.
much or make this much.
Yeah, we're not trying to do static here.
Wait, you're on a top one live. You're on a top one live account, and the brackets are working. I don't know. I just texted Clay about it, the owner. So we'll see what he says. We'll see.
Mhm.
But I don't really got shit here. I'm locked out. You can throw your stuff up, Lawrence. There you go.
I don't know what's going on. I might go short here. I might go short here, fellers. I think that might
Failures.
have been the sweep right there. Maybe. I don't know.
Failures. What does she do? What does she do?
See what happens here. Fellers, brother, sister. This might still be good for the long. I don't know.
You don't know.
Don't. The way this is how I'm looking at it. Tell me what you think. So I think that that's a sweep, and then we're going to go short. And if we break this consolidation area right here, I think that's a change of character. And then we might switch. Yeah, we might end up going short if we break that firmly.
I
Like
just
that could
don't.
be a change of character right here.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, I mean, everyone's waiting for a pullback. So the thing is, this could just like keep grinding higher. I don't know. I just today's such a low probability day, dude. I knew I shouldn't have traded the live account. Tanner, go to the settings wheel on the left. There's an option to switch between position brackets and OCO.
Show your screen. Where are you? I gotta see this.
Let me look
Setting
at.
brackets on the left.
Okay.
Where is it at? Somebody talk to me. Shit. Where is it at?
Yeah, I mean, it's so right here. It says try going to the settings on the left panel, and under risk settings, there's a option to switch to OCO brackets.
I don't see it.
I don't. Yeah, I
Unless
don't
I'm
got
blind.
that. I don't got that either. I'll share my screen again, but I don't got it. It's not showing for you guys. Weird. I smell a conspiracy. Yours looks different to mine.
He said I smell conspiracy.
I don't know. They would do this on the fucking FOMC week.
What if they put it? What if they put it back after FOMC is over?
Fucking pieces of shit, dude.
Wipe everybody.
Fucking pieces of shit, dude.
It said clean everybody.
Clean everyone out, dude.
Clean
Clean
them
them all
all.
out. Clean them all. Yeah, literally clean them all out, bro. Clean them all out. Clean them all out, bro. Clean every single one.
Damn, I can't believe they did that.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy work.
Pretty crazy work, bro.
It's crazy work.
That's crazy work, man.
In the middle of the. Oh my gosh.
Oh man. I feel like this RTY is gonna still work also. I feel like it's gonna that was just a crazy pullback and just never gonna sweep the lows here. Could be wrong, but I don't know. I'm just waiting and chilling. I got nothing to do now. I just lost $400 for no reason. That's all that happened.
Waiting and chilling and chilling and waiting.
Waiting and chilling and chilling and waiting.
Mhm.
Exactamundo.
This looks like a decent long, brother, but I don't trust it.
It's just a grind higher. I just don't even know what to do with it. And if you were to do it like NQ, I just had nothing. At least I had like a pattern to set up with RTY.
Mm-hmm.
Or it came down and rinsed me.
Clear. Clear.
The old rinse.
I need Microsoft to go to 600. Microsoft is actually one of the best company in the world, honestly.
I know you're a Microsoft
Dang.
junkie. I always talk about that.
Yeah. Microsoft over Google. I mean, not Google. Microsoft over Apple. Even though I got all Apple
Not right
products.
now. I'm all in Apple. Tanner, Austin, figure out the brackets. I missed what he said on top one. I'll call him later and figure it out. I'm already locked out. Technological difficulties. Oh my goodness. You can adjust it and how it is in risk settings. I don't know, like position brackets. So in risk settings, maybe because I locked out my risk settings this morning. I don't know, dude.
No, that's not why, because that option was never there. The little settings thing to turn it on and off, that was never there before.
Yeah. Fuck it.
That's crazy.
Crazy work.
All those fucked up things they were saying about Project X finally is coming true.
Mhm. It's finally coming true. Dude, RTY is gonna fucking hold, bro.
And try to short. I might
Go for it.
lose. Fuck it.
Just go small. It's just like not a fucking. Just hop on. Let us choose what futures month to trade. I can't find it. I think the contract's auto switch. They'll probably auto switch tomorrow or some shit. I don't think it does it on the first day of the contract roll, if I recall.
Probably get smoked here. That's whatever. I think it's a short.
Take it. Purdy's pretty slow. Your short looks a little decent now.
I'm going for Asia lows. I mean Asia highs.
Yeah, that looks solid. Dude, RTY bamboozled me.
Yeah, you called it though. I mean, yeah, for sure.
It's
That's why that's why I don't like
I
Archie low.
didn't want to put my stop at the low though. I didn't expect it to pull back that much. That was fucking ridiculous.
Yeah, it was kind of crazy.
That was an insane pullback. That was ridiculous, bro. It's totally gonna bamboozle me. Oh man. RTY. RTY. I'm gonna look at some options for RTY for next week. Let's see. On a pre-live account for top one, is there any reason not to withdraw every time you're in profit above your starting balance at the end of each day, since your risk is heavily restricted anyways? No, it's the same theory though. Like if you do take daily withdrawals, this is my whole theory with the daily withdrawal thing. Is like once you have a couple bad days in a row, it mentally kind of just fucks you. So I still think it's good to build some sort of buffer in general, like just in general, because you can withstand a few of those pullbacks, you know. So it's up to you on that. I probably wouldn't withdraw every single day. I'd probably try to build a small little buffer. And that was definitely the mistake I made. Like I need to even do that going forward if I, you know, when I crawl this live account out. But yeah, that's my thought on it. This RTY is ridiculous, bro. This is gonna be crazy if this thing just fucking rips. Let's see. IWM options. September 26th. That'd be next Friday. 2:45 calls. So those are the ones I like.
Do I get smoked here, chat? For the longs? Do I get smoked for the longs?
This is ridiculous, bro.
I get smoked for the longs, chat?
I went long on my top sub account RTY again.
Do I get smoked here for the long or no?
Yeah, no.
Ooh, I'm getting smoked here for the long.
The beauty of trading multiple props is trading multiple props. Dude, this RTY moves nuts. Look at this. I sent it.
Oh, that's a good entry.
10 contracts, baby. RTY.
Yeah, that's a good entry. Oh, yeah,
Risking
4,000. Damn.
You're risking 2,000 to make 6,000.
That's a beautiful R.
This is crazy. Let's see if we can get it. Ripstick it.
Yeah.
Look at this fucking pullback, bro. I got so bamboozled on the live account with this,
Yeah.
but they can't stop me. I am him. Okay. Everyone, don't forget it. Okay. Everyone, don't forget it. Look at this hourly bar. Look at this hourly candle. Disgusting, godlike. One of us. One of us. One of us. I know you're damn right. One of us.
I told you those violent pullbacks, they always say in the books, get out with a violent pullback. But I'm telling you, from what I see, those violent pullbacks, they get eaten up. They get gobbled up. I'm about to get stopped here. This is gay. They get gobbled up.
I know. Well, that's why I added where I did, bro. Because yeah, you're right. Those violent pullbacks, they do get gobbled up. It just like it pulled back too much, and I had no signal bar. That was my problem. That's my thing. I'm like, I wrote down in my notes too. I'm trying to get better at that. Is like work on the signal bar entry and like allow it to fucking. Now I need to move this break even. Is like the signal bar. I need to be able to look for it better because if I don't, I just get fucking cooked every time.
These people bamboozled me.
Dude, so bamboozled.
Oh, they
Literally
bamboozled
insane
me,
bamboozled,
bro.
bro.
They bamboozled me.
Yeah. I could still
Oh
get bamboozled on
no.
this, bro.
They bamboozled me, bro.
Yeah. Looks like it.
Wow. Oh my God. I've been bamboozled. Oh my God. I've been led astray.
Led astray.
I've been led astray. Hoodwinked.
Led astray.
Change your character, sweep, reaction, boom. About to hit new highs. Got him. He thought he was new. He thought he was smart money. He thought he was fucking smart money.
It's too aggressive, dude.
He thought he was smart money.
Too aggressive.
Lawrence the investor? Huh. Who do you think he was? Yeah, take it out. Take it out. Let this be a retest and go lower. Mm.
Man, this is crazy RTY. This is crazy work. I knew it. Fuck RTY. I'm about to make 6,000 and I'm more mad that I lost 400 on the live account. Like, what the fuck, bro? This is a crazy move. What the fuck?
I can't believe I'm about to get cooked like this.
I mean, we're kind of just grinding up, dude. It's like that short kind of had low probabilities, I think, just in
I don't
general.
think so.
I wasn't a huge fan of
Uh,
it.
I don't think it was low probability.
I just think it's hard to short when we're at all-time highs. That's just like a fact.
Okay.
You know, it's more difficult. It is more difficult. You got to admit that. It can be a bit more difficult. This hourly bar is disgusting on RTY. I can't get over how this looks. This is crazy work.
Yeah. They literally bought that shit up. That's crazy.
They fucking ate this thing up, dude. They ate that shit up, bro. Like heavily ate it up. One more little pusharoon skis here. Oh, not that. What's going on?
Wow.
What's going on? We got another push here. Fresh 30-minute bar. There we go. Okay, it's doing some funky stuff. There's something going on. What's the
Going on,
news?
chat?
U.S. will not impose tariffs on Chinese goods for purchasing Russian oil unless European countries do so. Okay. No one cares. Give us some technical moves.
Bro, dude, I just had a flash crash and it just bought it right back up. Look at this shit. Look at my screen.
I know. Put you up there. Oh my god, that's so ridiculous.
Look at that flash crash, bro.
Flash crash into fucking despair. Damn. Damn. Dude, this RTY is fucking doing something. I can't believe that shit, bro. Should have cut my stop at the low. Shoulda,
This shit
coulda,
is
woulda.
funky. Look at that flash crash. That's crazy. That shit took out everything and it's still going higher. This is what we call probabilities.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we call probabilities, chat.
Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Crazy. Crazy, crazy.
Wild. Market's just strong, dude. It's a strong old market. It's a strong old market.
I'm going to say probable. Very much so.
Probable.
Reclaim this wick of the flash crash, please. Don't go any higher. Reclaim that wick of the flash crash and proceed to go lower.
Mm-hmm. I might take this here. RTY. Shy of target. And see how it digests. I just don't want to sit through a pullback. I'm up $4,500.
This shall not pass. I know, right?
This shall not pass.
No, I'm telling you. You're not
Instead
getting
of
away with this one, buddy. What's going on the 30-second chart? Does it look
cycle
bearish?
through those time frames, brother.
Does it look bearish, chat? On this 30-second chart? This is over. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, they want this thing just higher, bro.
Reclaim the wick. You know you want to.
You know you want to.
There you go. Mm-hmm. 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 Reclaim that wick.
I'm taking
No,
5 bucks.
don't buy it up. They buying it up. Claim the wick. Damn.
Damn.
Damn, 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 damn. No.
All right, fuck these guys. I'm out. Took $4 grand on that.
Nice.
I
What
just
was it looking like?
RTY is just a bitch, dude. It's
Let me
just
see.
like the way they fucking pull back and do shit. I'm just over it, bro.
Yeah, RTY is crazy.
I'm just so over it. It's just like they really bamboozle me with that one on the live account. But this is cool. Like if I can take a nice payout on this top step. I'm gonna take a $5,000 payout on a top step account. I don't think I've done that ever. Like the full 5,000. I just haven't. I don't trade top step enough to do it.
Mm-hmm. I think I might be cooked, chat. They keep buying this shit.
I don't know. They you might be good. Let's see. Let's
No,
see.
no, I needed to die.
Bro, I'm happy you didn't let it go back to break even. Yeah, I'm not gonna let $5,000 go back to break even. That would have been really irresponsible. That would have been extra irresponsible, especially when I don't have a lot of conviction on RTY today. I'm like, oh, I just got a big ass pump and take that.
To be fair, this shit should not be pumping any higher. To be fair, the way this is looking, I don't really see it. I don't see it.
Honestly, I think you might still be good, bro. Like if we stay under this low of that little
Yeah,
data
I'm not
candle
getting
low.
out. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know. This might still play out. I think your stop at the highs is good. ES just had like basically a sweep of the high. So let's see if NQ just makes a lower high here and then falls back down. You know,
Mm-hmm.
it totally might follow suit, bro. It totally might.
Yeah, I'm just prepping my mind for a loss.
Mm-hmm.
Where's my glasses at?
The old N Kizzle. The old NQ.
What y'all think, chat? Am I cooked? Am I cooked, chat? Let me get a PN, Austin shit. Let me get a PNL style.
Yeah,
Let me
let's
get
get
a
some
PNL
awesome
chat.
shit. How we
Let me
doing,
get a
chat?
PNL chat. What y'all doing? Where y'all at? Jay Carr. Sorry, Lawrence, I'm long. Sorry. You should know better than to fade me, Jay. Just playing.
I don't know. I kind of like your short here as long as we stay under. As long as you stay under, obviously that what is that 500? Oh, no,
Mm-hmm.
what contract do you have on? Yeah,
Ena
really
478. Good
high
shit.
here. Yeah, 260. Let's go, Ina.
Damn,
Good job.
damn, damn, damn.
Good job. Great job.
Too many buyers below that one end. Man, that's what it's looking like. That's what it's looking like. 'Cause this shit should be going right now. Right. Oh Lord, look at that. My
Yeah,
entry model.
I know that doesn't look good. See how it closes.
It doesn't look
Yeah,
good for your boy chat. Oh
no, it doesn't
my
look
God.
good.
Charles, good shit, 415. J Car tap day. Yeah. It's been tough. It's been a tough, like, I don't know, bro. These
It's
last
been a
2
tough
months has
month,
been.
bro. It's been a tough month. It has been a tough month, bro. See lots of people getting cooked. I got cooked.
This is bearish, right? 30 seconds. This is bearish, right? No, probably not. I don't know.
No
We're
news
getting lower
Monday.
highs. Lower highs, right?
No news
Something like
Monday.
that. Lower highs.
No news on the Monday.
I'm cooked. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, it looks pretty bullish.
Very bullish.
Very bullish.
They're buying that shit up.
Oh man, what are they gonna do?
Stop me out. Damn, 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 damn.
I have a rib rub for you if you're cooked. Missed you guys. I was in Mexico last week. Mexico was probably, dude, that was probably a great week to go to Mexico. Last week's been trash. Fit trader went long and then Q at the open plus 275, small size my 50K. Nice. Good. Good shit, dude.
Look at this bullish. This bullish 5 minute.
Yeah.
This bullish 5 minutes.
Real quick, guys. Tonight we do have our next group coaching call. It's all going to be on pullback to VWAP. So I'm going to go over my strategy, pullback to VWAP. I know a lot of you are interested in it. If you want to check it out, there's a link in the comments, the very start. We'll drop it again for you. But you can join the Discord 7-day free trial. So even if you don't like it for whatever reason, you can bail. But you'll probably like it. The group coaching calls are really good. They're really informative. Good group of people. And you learn some shit. So got a really cool presentation on it. So check it out. Check it out.
Yeah, I'm cooked here.
Cooked.
Mm-hmm. Is there? It's just like a battle royale up here. Like, damn. Like, I would hope that they just this should.
Oh man.
Let's see. What's my day looking like today? Well,
Just slow. Yeah, I expect to retest the H. I know. True that.
okay.
Dude, this Baba's crazy. Can't get over it.
Why is it so bullish?
It's finally just a multi-base year breakout. Like literally, it just finally, and like the earnings catalyst was like the catalyst. They're talking a bunch about AI now, so it's just like it's just ripping, dude. And so it's like it's one of those where it's been beat up for so long that now it kind of gets through some of these like volume voids. And when we get through these huge volume voids on the chart, it's like you have this is like the alligator mouth theory. where like when you have a lot of gaps in volume for certain prices that are transacted, it just has room. It just has a lot of room to go. That's kind of what it comes down to.
Okay.
I want to like pull this up and show you an example. See if I go time frame. Let's go 5 years. What the fuck? Okay, let's check this out. Okay, so on my chart right here, see how like there's so much volume being done down here because price was down here for so long over the past 5 years, versus like when we have kind of these let's call like the alligator mouth. Like imagine like an alligator. Like this is in between, not much. So once it kind of starts to get going past these zones, it fucking just like it just goes fast. You can see these on smaller time frames a bit better. So if I go to like a hourly chart, so like here, like if price was to fall basically below this right here, it could probably come down towards here, the next kind of little spike in volume pretty fast because there's just a lack of volume here. That's the idea. So that's kind of how it is on these bigger picture charts that I'm looking at, the way I have it set up. And it's just like ready to go from a weekly perspective. This thing has just been basing for so long. We're getting a weekly breakout. And it's time. It's fucking time for this thing to go. It's really what it comes down to. It is time for this thing to go. Here we go.
Damn, it's pretty far from his all-time highs, though. That's
I know it's got fucking room. That's also why I'm holding this. I'm like, dude, this thing has room. Like I'm just targeting 180, literally right into here.
Do you think it could possibly hit all-time highs, or do you think it's going to pull like an Adobe, where it's just like there's an all-time
No,
high, a
I think
low,
this
and it's
thing's in,
in the
this
middle?
thing's going to go to all-time highs and then beyond with especially with AI innovation. So they've been talking a lot about AI shit. So I think it has a good chance of doing that. I don't know, obviously, the time frame of when, but my January calls or my calls expire in January, and they're 180 calls. So I'm like, dude, for this short little pop here, we could probably see 200 before January. Honestly, the way it's fucking going. So, but if we come into 180, my goal with this is I put 2,500 in. If I can make $10,000 profit off 2,500. And get
That'd be
all out
dope.
for, that would be awesome. Be massive,
Yeah.
massive, 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 massive. So kind of idea, but this base is so long. This is classic Wyckoff model, right? You got what is it, like markup, accumulation, but distribution, all that shit. I gotta go through the model again. I forget, but basically, I just know this is all accumulation for like many years. That's what it is. Boom, boom, boom. Tons of accumulation, and then fucking ripping. Tons of call buyers for the 600. Oh, QQQ calls. I thought you were talking about Baba for a second. I was like, bro, calm down. That's crazy. I'll throw you back up there. Oh, you just got edged.
Now, my stop was at higher day right here. I kind of ish. Like my stop was high. So my stop was 265. We went to 263, so 2 points, and then we turned around. So I just moved my stop lower to 263 because I feel like if we reclaim this, it's over for me anyway.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Okay.
So I moved my stop down 2 points. That's it. If it reclaims this, I'm cooked. So I was just like, let me save a few dollars anyway.
Okay. This 5 minute don't look too bad right now. It's about to close. You're about to get a really bearish close in this 5 minute in literally 10 seconds.
Yep.
This actually could play out for you.
I know it can. That's what I've been telling everybody.
This new contract also 24,500. That seems like a big psych level.
It still can reclaim this bearish candle, though. It could definitely reclaim this and go higher. Like I've seen that before, like it's
Yeah,
doing right now.
sure. For sure. For sure.
Let's see. We could reclaim this little wick right here on the 15-minute chart. We could reclaim this. Essentially go lower.
Let's go, Kevin. Up 200 or up 622. Good shit.
Good Lawrence,
Good.
good to see. Appreciate it, KB. It's just they're fighting up here, bro. I don't know. I already counted this as a loss mentally, honestly, but they're fighting.
Yeah. I wonder if we get a sweep of 227s here and then it goes back up.
Yeah,
I'll
these
be right
buyers
back.
aren't going, bro. It's over with. These buyers are not going. These buyers, they are, man, they're present. Their presence is known. They're here. I see you.
They're there. They're there.
Mark said buyers are just automatic. No buyers had any scares in weeks. Yeah, for sure. For sure. That is a fact.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Sitting here trying to be patient, I guess.
Here goes RTY coming into my target. My initial target that I bitched it on.
Yeah, I'm cooked here.
Yeah, this
That was my
thing's
last
fucking
opportunity.
going, dude.
At least I know this is a probability loss if I lose. This is definitely probability based loss because it
Yeah.
shouldn't even have done all of this, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're just cruising it, dude.
Yep.
They're cruising it, bro. That's pretty much it. Yeah, this thing looks strong.
Crazy.
Yeah, they're just. I mean, it's pretty wild. Like into FOMC, they're just gonna buy it like this, and then that's why I have a feeling it's just everyone's expecting us to drop lower because it's so overbought, quote unquote. But all these charts are just still really bullish on the daily. So that for me is just like they might just literally have a blow off top type deal where just like it just goes, and everyone's like, "Oh fuck."
I got a feeling.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night.
Tonight's gonna be a good night. Sell off.
Dude, Tesla at
Sell off.
$420. Blaze it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, bro, did you see you see fucking what's his face? You know, I be glazing him. Scarface.
Yeah, what his
He made like a shit ton of money off them Tesla calls he placed like 5 months ago.
oh yeah, a
I
classic.
think he put like 2 million on it or something like that.
Yeah, something ridiculous. Something
Let
redonkulous.
me see what Tesla is. Or gee, oh
It's insane, dude. It's
god.
pushing back towards all-time highs.
That shit went all the way down to 217,
It's
bro.
crazy, dude.
Like
Fucking
Tesla is just like, bro, it's just like, bro, we're trying to make you money. Just we're like just buy
mhm,
longs when we sell like this.
mhm.
Like we're trying to make you guys money and you're not buying it.
Yeah.
This is crazy, bro. Tesla's that's just like a I don't know, man. That's just a very unique stock, unique company.
Yeah. Yep. Agreed. All right, coming into 11 a.m. here. Let's see.
That's what I'm saying. Like, bro, this shit should be like, I like my thing is, I think it should be tanking only because we've been doing this for an hour.
I know.
Like, this has been going on for an hour, bro.
Literally, it's just cruising.
Yeah, I'm about to get smoked on in a second. GG's, chat. GG's.
GG's. Literally GG's. That's right.
Here's the extendo. The pop.
Extendo clip.
Here it is, chat. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
There it is. Ruthless. Ruthless.
Mm-hmm.
They are ruthless, my friends.
Because my thing is, even down here, like this wick right here, that should have, I think that should have set the tone.
Mm-hmm. It's just in price discovery mode. It's a straight consolidation, bullish consolidation sideways. This is like, yeah. I'm just annoyed at my that play on RTY, dude, on the live account. It was a good setup, but just fucking that pullback was so aggressive, man.
I don't get what I don't get what you are.
I know, it's just fucking confusing.
I don't get what you are at all.
What do you mean tomorrow? Yeah, we got the group coaching call, but he means see you tomorrow as in like on stream.
For sure, KB. I'll be here to see y'all smiling faces tonight.
Yeah. Yep.
Everybody's smiling faces.
Man, fuck RTY, bro.
I know, that's what I've been telling you. Because it moves like that. That shit moves
That is
crazy.
what you've been telling me.
Shit moves so weird.
Bam, like you have to. I forgot. I haven't traded it in a while. I forgot you have to keep your stops at like super extreme points on that thing.
You have been doing a really good job not trading it.
Yeah. The live accounts help because I can't trade YM. So, Tanner, do you have a PC or just use a MacBook? I just use a MacBook, brother. But I have like I have a really like expensive MacBook with a lot of RAM. I'm gonna get either a Mac Studio or Mac Mini though before the end of the year.
I got a Mac Mini. I like it.
Do you? Yeah. I
Mhm.
want to get like the really nice one. Seems like the right thing to do. I might get a vlogging camera too.
That'd be cool.
Have you seen those little DJI like pocket? They're called like Osmo Pocket 3s or some shit.
No.
They're cool. They're cool little like cameras to film stuff. Pretty dope. They have them at Costco for like $700 right now. It's like 4K. It's super nice.
I love Costco's.
Love Costco. Love the Costco. All right, dude. Is this thing gonna fucking make a new high or what, bro? Here we go. 11 a.m.
Yeah, here we go.
30 seconds.
Nice little ripper. Just take me out already.
I bet you it's probably gonna stab into the high and then fail.
Probably.
Some bullshit. Some fucking bullshit, bro. Some fucking bullshit. Here you go, 11 a.m. Okay, there it is.
Jesus.
Ripper.
520. Whoa. How? Hold on, bro. Come on, son.
Slippage, dog.
No, bro. Not by 100 fucking dollars.
No, look
Not
your
by
look your
100
P&L. Look at your
fucking
P&L. Look at your
dollars.
P&L. Look at your P&L. Look at your P&L. You're good. Look at it. Dismiss the notification. Look at it. It says 452.
I'm gonna screenshot this and I'm gonna tell Top Step to redeem me.
No, look at it. You're fine. Look at your
No, I
P&L.
want them to take it away. See if I can finesse this.
Oh, like the whole day.
Yeah.
They're not going to, bro. They're not fucking doing that, dude.
Never say never.
They're not gonna do that shit, bro. You're funny. You're a funny guy. All right, guys. We're gonna call it there. I'm out this bitch. I am out of here. That's it for me.
I think
Rizma, you got this,
this is
Luna.
this is definitely like
Here's your
I don't
overshoot.
know. This trade doesn't sit right with me. Like I feel like my trade was not that just was not a bad attempt. It don't sit right.
I mean, dude, honestly, in my opinion, I didn't like that trade, but that's just I just when we don't have something to work with at all-time highs, it just doesn't make
I mean,
sense to me.
let me ask you this: if the trade would have worked out, what would you have said?
I would have still said I didn't like it, honestly, personally.
Uh,
I'm not trying, and I'm not, and like, of course, I take tons of trades you don't like all the time. I'm just being honest with you. Like, I
no,
know
no,
some of my
no. I'm
trades
just,
don't
I'm
make
just,
sense.
I'm just curious about what would have been your perspective on the markets if it worked out. Because you
My
said that, yeah,
perspective,
I didn't like it because of you gave me the reason as to why you didn't like it. But then I'm saying if it would have worked out, what would have been your reasoning as to why it worked out?
as to why it did work.
No, so if it did, so you said that I didn't like this setup because we were at all-time highs, we're grinding up all that stuff, right? So you gave the
Mm,
reasoning as to why you didn't like it. So I'm saying if it would have worked out, what would have been your reasoning as to why it would have worked out? Because you gave to the reason as to why you didn't like it and
mm,
why it wouldn't work out. So what would be the reasoning as to why it did work out if it did?
Probabilities. That's it. I just personally don't like the.
Mm,
I just don't like. I don't like. I don't like not having levels to work with. That is my thing. But I know you don't really trade based on levels. So it's like when I have no
mm,
levels to work with, and just like
mm-hmm.
a sweep and you have a sweep and change of character that you put right there. For me, it's not enough. And so it's like I need VWAP or some sort of level. And so it's like just a sweep into space, no man's land. I just personally don't like that setup. Because even if it would have worked,
Uh,
I would have still said like I would have been like, oh, like I don't know. So
so you don't, so when we're in all-time highs, technically
I hate shorting.
you
I
don't
hate
trade
shorting at
that
all time
much.
highs.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
like okay, that's another reason why I originally switched over to RTY and YM because when NQ and ES were already all time highs, I'm like, well, I got nothing to work with structurally. At least YM and RTY could be the catch up trade. And I can work with these levels and work with that level and work with this level. And you see, like that's just personally for something I like to do system wise. And
Mm.
it's worked for me in the past and it works and I like it. So that's why like I hate trading all time highs. That's really
Okay.
what it
So you go to RTY and YM for all-time highs because they give you the levels.
correct. Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Personally. That's
Okay.
why I like to. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Got it.
yeah.
All right. Well,
Well, that's
that's the
it,
end
guys.
of that's the end for me.
Yeah, we both lost $400 today on the accounts.
Those are good losses. Very small.
Yeah,
Good small losses.
the Top Step side quest account is just whatever. I don't really count that, even though it was a nice day on it, but it won't mean shit until it hits my bank account. Let's put it that way. So that's what it comes down to for me.
Hmm.
But yeah, that's it, guys.
I
We will
don't know.
see
I'm
you.
just like looking at this shit, bro, and I'm like, boom, and then like, look at this shit. Like we're closing below it. And
I
then we
know.
just, man, that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't think that I think that this was just a probability loss. But yeah, okay. Anyway, we'll wrap it up.
Mm,
It's just, I see this right here, and I'm just like, if we take this shit out, close below it, which we did several times, came back, kind of like a retest up here type. deal, and then we shot all the way down to fucking 219, and then we
Mhm.
just got bought right back up. That's what I'm saying. Like that's why I think this is a probability loss going to the long side, because
Yeah.
I think any other time this shit would have came down, honestly. But anyway,
Yeah. Yeah. I feel.
all
I
right.
understand. I understand your logic. We'll end it there. We'll also leave on this comment Nikki Pips because he's just the man. Have a great day. Love and God bless y'all. Such a good person.
Is there?
Great human. Great human. All right. We're out of here, guys. Good shit. We'll chat with you. Chat with you soon. Peace. Group coaching call tonight. Late.
Yep.